Welcome to Crack Derma with DrMSD. Myself, Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, your dermatology faculty, and this is today's previous year question. Auspitz sign is seen in, and if you have marked the answer as chronic plaque psoriasis, which is also called as psoriasis vulgaris, you are absolutely correct. Very good. And remember, psoriasis is a papilloscomus disorder in which we can see silvery white scaly lesions predominantly over the extensor aspect. If we take a glass slide and scrape off this scaling, we can see bulkless membrane. If we remove this bulkless membrane, then we can see pinpoint bleeding spots. As you are able to see in this image, this is referred to as Auspitz sign positivity. And do remember that Auspitz sign is neither specific nor sensitive for psoriasis. This can be seen in other conditions apart from psoriasis vulgaris, like for example, Darius disease and actinic keratosis. And this can be absent in the psoriasis, like for example pustular psoriasis, which was given in the option A. In this, Auspitz sign is not seen. Okay, other types of psoriasis in which Auspitz sign is absent are gutted psoriasis and inverse psoriasis, which is also called as flexural psoriasis, and erythrodermic psoriasis. One question for all of you: gutted psoriasis is associated with one bacterial infection. If you know the answer for this, please leave it in the comment section. And if you do like this kind of short videos, please do hit that like button or give that heart. Thank you so much. Do follow for more such videos. Bye bye. Happy learning dermatology.